Yeah, we're making a video on an iPod again. So, there was a time where I made a video called Why iPods Still Rock in 2023, and yeah, I still use iPods quite a bit. However, the main iPod that I use, which is the Nano 3rd Gen, it doesn't support what I want to do. Which is why I have this iPod 5th Gen. It's a 5.5 Gen, as you can tell with the little search thing. Search for your music. It's also an 80GB model. Today, we're going to be putting Rockbox on this iPod. So we're just going to go ahead and set it down. We're going to go ahead and plug in the iPod to the computer. Prop it up with something so it's not completely... Sure, we'll use the iPhone SE. Rockbox utility, let's go ahead and run it. Yeah. Alright, let's set it up. Apple, yeah. iPod video, very good, okay. No mount, what? Select your device. Do I actually have to restore it before I can, oh. iTunes detected a Macintosh formatted iPod. You must restore it before you can use it on Windows. Well, I guess I guess I already have all these songs on SoundCloud and Spotify, so it's not that big of a deal. Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, go restore. Yay. Oh, look at it's doing it over here. Go! Go! Do the thing, yes! Are you gonna show up on the computer, or are you just gonna... Yeah, there you are. Welcome to your new iPod. No, you're not user's iPod, you're Enzo's iPod Classic. There we go. Oh man, I can't believe all I had to restore it just for that. Okay, now we can probably refresh, and there we go. There it is. Okay. Themes, yeah, themes. Ooh, themes. Okay. Let's get a custom theme going on here, right? What are all these? Oh. iClassic. Oh, that's just a classic. iClean. Square. That looks modern. Oh, this one actually looks quite nice. Alright, a modern iOS inspired theme for iPod video / classic compatible with 5th gen through 7th gen. Do note that this does not include a SBS file and only affects while playing screen. Okay, let's see what this one is. Thought of as a refresh for the old official iPod theme, a modernized, latest iOS design inspired theme, as this is my first theme encounter with SBS. Okay, doesn't look bad. Okay, I actually really like this one. I think I'm gonna do that one. And install. Download finished. Okay, oh, it's doing it. Extracting file. Alright. Package installation finished successfully. Yay! Now what do? Do I eject it? Is that what I do now? I don't know. Eject. Okay, I think I have to actually unplug it. It didn't do the theme I wanted. Settings. Oh, theme settings. I have to actually... browse theme files. Yes! That one. There we go. Yes! Whoa! Look at that! Oh. Oh, the menu button doesn't seem to do anything. Oh, it's a bed. This is a back button now. Okay. Resume playback. Nothing to resume. Okay. Database. Select. Yes. Okay, maybe I need to put some stuff on here first. We'll put this back in the computer. iPod. iPod. Oh, iTunes is not recognizing it. iTunes wants nothing to do with it at all. I'm changing my computer's volume with the click wheel. Oh no, I didn't know I could do that. I don't know how to make it be detected in iTunes again, but well, who needs music when you have a very cool user interface like this? So, if you have enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one.